Yo, so Bitcoin's playing two patterns out. Let's get into it. Right, so yesterday we were here. We're expecting either a rise or a drop. It did the drop. I thought the rise was more probable, but there you go. That's what happens in the markets. Um, so right now I'm looking at this. Right, so you got your rise, drop, W range, stop punt, hold the mayo. Yeah, drop. Right, well, this is the one we were speaking about. Or this one, where you got your W, your range, your rise, your drop. If we get more of a range here, but it's gonna try trick everyone because it's gonna if it does look. So it's done the stop punt here. So this is like both patterns. It's like right weird. It's very weird. So they got a stop punt here. I want to see a drop down to here. We'll get into that why. And then I want to see either a rise, straight rise, no, a rise, range, and then straight rise, range, straight rise. This will be weekend trading. If it is this pattern, and I don't want to see it break under here. Now in this pattern, this is why this is a bit tricky at the minute to read. In this pattern, you get a drop, and then you get a bit of you see like the range there, a few. And in this pattern, you get a stop punt here, a bit of a shake, and then rise. So when we get down here, it'll just be the candlesticks you have to pay attention to, which will tell you which way it wants to go. But yeah, it's undecided at the minute, and this pattern is not locked in. This pattern is locked in when it gets there. No, there. I've seen patterns like this break down there. It's locked in when it gets here. And this is crypto, so it's a lot of retail traders, and no one really knows about this shit. So just trust me on this, yeah. And you're one of the very few people that know about this shit. Like 5% of people in the entire markets that are trading know about this shit. And I'd say that's a push at most. Right? So we're gonna get into why I think it might drop down here. Why? Because we've got a stop punt in this pattern, and in this pattern you get a straight drop. So I'm leaning more towards this pattern because it's the bigger pattern, and it looks very nice. But we don't. This pattern might happen. Yeah, we won't know until it either bounces up here or gets down here and goes down. Alright, so let's go into 1 minute chart. Now on this chart to the left, you see there's a stop punt in the middle. Well, at the end of the range at the bottom, and that's just the way it goes. They always want to get liquidity, so they have to throw stop punts in. So down here, you've got a liquidity pool on the 1 minute chart, but it doesn't break the structure. Notice how it doesn't break the structure. It comes down, but it doesn't break the leg of the W. If it breaks down here and fully confirms candles under here, that means the structure's been broken. And if it doesn't bounce quick, then it's fully broken and gone. And then we're in the other pattern, definitely. You want to see it bounce from here or bounce from here. If it goes here, it's game over. If it confirms a 15-minute candle down here, it's game over. It'll be going down to the range daily low today. But that's nowhere near yet. So by liquidity pool, I mean vector candle. Look, vector candle, liquidity pool. They could even come here, stop people out, and then bounce. They could widen the spread when they're here, get the people, or they could just keep coming banging down. We don't know. So we'll only know if we get down here, people. Not when, if. It's a big if. Okay. Now back onto the 15M. You can see we're just there at the stop punt now. I want to see it drop, spike, rise. And if we don't get the drop, spike, rise, we're going to get a drop here. Right? Dot. I think dot's a bit nicer. Yeah, dot's a bit nicer. Yeah. Is it? Not really. W range here. Dot. I want to see it come. Take out this. What are you doing? Um. There. I want to see it come here. Take out the people who went long. I don't want to see it break this leg. Like with Bitcoin, I don't want to see it confirm candle under the leg. Let's go on the 1 minute chart for that actually. I want to see if there's a full on liquidity pool where I drew. Is that where it came to today? Yeah. No? Oh, that's where I want to see it come. So is there a liquidity pool here? 5 minute chart. Right, that's one. Right, so when I look at this, I see there's a liquidity pool all there. I'm gonna change the colour of this box here. Put it to what he's saying. What are we doing today? That looks like a nice colour. We'll do this. That's the liquidity pool. So remember, if you watch the liquidity pool video, liquidity pool are wicks, stop hunt points, imbalances, and vectors. So you've got it all there. You got wicks here. Yeah. It shouldn't confirm a 15-minute candle under here if we are in this pattern. If not, we're in the other one. Yeah. So it's just waiting and seeing at this point. But yeah. There's wicks. There's an imbalance. Look, the imbalance. So there would be an imbalance here, all the way up to where price is now. But you see, it came and filled the imbalance. It came down. There were a gap when price were here. There were a gap here to here, with no candlestick on the right filling it. So now the imbalance is there. There's an imbalance there. There's wicks there. There's a vector there. What else were there? Vector, wick, imbalance, and stop zone. And there's a stop zone there. Stop zone here. Vector candle, wicks, imbalance. Yeah, it's all there. All in that green box is every single thing you're looking for a move down to where it might go. I'll go again. Vector, stop hunt zone, there, and there, and there. 3 stop hunt zones. Under them wicks, they're all stop hunt zones. There's a stop hunt zone there as well. But that's not as important because this is the main one. You got wicks, and you got the imbalance there. That's where the imbalance is. You see, there's no price action from the right side of the chart to fill that. Yeah, it fills it to there, but it doesn't fill it there, so there's still an imbalance. Right, so that's dot. ETH. I think I've already mapped ETH out. So yeah, I think there's an imbalance on ETH as well. Let's check. Yeah, there's an imbalance on ETH as well, and that's where I put the See how there would have been an imbalance if these two candles weren't here, but there's no the candles don't come down to here. Imbalance, yeah. There's an imbalance on ETH there, and I don't like I said, I don't want to see it confirm a 15-minute candle under here or the W structure's being broken. It can come a wick below it by all means, yeah. By all fucking means, it can come wick below it, but that's all I want to see. And that's it. So, in conclusion, we're looking for a drop. This is going to be a stop punt down and a rise range for the weekend, or a drop range here, drop. Now we don't know until we get here, and the candlesticks will tell you. So just, and it's bank holiday, so honestly, it's risky to just place a trade today, but obviously you can still do it. You just gotta know what you're doing and what you're looking for, and be smart about it. Don't over leverage. Don't use 100% of your account. Yeah. Just be smart with it. Now, I'll say it once more. The confusing thing about this is range there, and there's a stop zone there, so it'll do something. If price comes down here today, it'll do something here. Either do an explosive move down or up. Right? Right, I'm gonna leave. Goodbye, people. Have a good day.